Hello and welcome to our channel. In front of me I have HUAWEI Watch GT Runner 2, and today I'm going to show you how to change the straps on this watch. So let's get started. If you want to change the straps on your watch, first you will need to remove the old ones. And to do it, grab your watch, flip it around, and on the back of the watch you will see that on each end of the strap, next to the watch, you will see that each end has a button on it. And to release the strap, you need to press and hold on this button, and then you should be able to pull out the strap like this. Sometimes it's really hard to press on these buttons, so I recommend to use something flat, maybe the SD card or something like this, and you can press it with that card, and then it should work. And that's how it works. Basically, we have our strap, our watch separated, and this mechanism is quite simple because you have pins on each side of the strap, and once you press on the button, the pins retract inside of the strap, which makes them release from the watch, basically, because the pins are locked in right here on in the holes on the watch. So basically that's how this mechanism works. And once you get a new strap and you want to put it on, you grab the strap, you take the pin right here, I would say the left pin, and you insert it into a hole right here on the watch, and then you have this hole on the other side, but as you can see, it has this etching on the case of the watch. There's like this edge here, and you can basically insert the strap, align it with the edge right here, like that, and press and hold the button and push it in. And once you push it in, oh, I pressed too hard. Once you push it in and release it, it will click in and it will hold. Same for the other side. So you insert it on the one side, you align it, you press the button, you push it in a little, release it, it should click in. If it doesn't, you move around, and once it clicks in, it will hold. And here we have our watch with our straps attached. And that's how you change the straps on this watch. So if you found this video any helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.